it's me, Sherry, and welcome back to my channel. So guess what? It's time for my first update on my rolling Project 10 pan for this year so far. So I got some exciting updates for you guys. So if you guys want to see what kind of progress I made this month, then stay tuned for the video. Okay, as always, I have my book in front of me. I keep track of everything in my book. And I've been writing down any products that I finish either generically this year or finish up in project pans, because I'm keeping a running total. If the product isn't available anymore, I find out what the price was. Like the last price that was listed as it, I find out what that is, and I actually do math, because if the full size is 50 milliliters and I only have 10 milliliters, I'll actually do algebra to figure out the how much the sample is worth. So I'm doing up totals for the whole year because I want to see how much. So look for that at the end of the year, but I am keeping totals. Maybe I'll do like a quarterly report on that as well, but I am keeping totals of everything that I finish up for this year. But anyway, getting back to this product, I don't keep getting mixed up with product and project. Coming back to this project, I have all of my totals here for this month for my first update. So let's just get into it, okay? So the first product that I have in here was the BB Coconut Candy, BBW, Bath & Body Works Coconut Candy Apple Spray. I use this on myself and as a room spray. It's gone. So that is included in my list. So I'm going to put that in my empties for 2025. The next product was Olaplex 3. This was only a sample size of it, but I have finished this off. It's gone. I put a nice treatment in my hair, and yeah, I like this stuff a lot. I might consider repurchasing the full size. Just not right now, because I have other leave-in treatments that I can use up first before I repurchase anything. Because this year, I'm being frugal. So that's 2 empties so far. So I started off the year pretty good. The next one is the Professional Setting Spray. Where's that at? It was only a mini, and I have finished up this product as well. So there's 3 empties for this month so far. So like I said, I'm starting off 2025 really good, on good standings. The next is the Fenty Heat Lip Gloss. I think it's called Cherry. Can you guys see where that line is there? I haven't used this much. This is the same as it was last month. Last month it was 33 grams. This month it's 33 grams. So I haven't really used that much because I've been using other lip products, but I really want to get this out this year because I worked on this all last year and I failed, so. The next product is the e.l.f. powder, the camo powder. I don't think this changed much either. Let me see. Last month, yeah, it didn't change. This is still 60 grams because I've been concentrating on another product, so I'll have to start digging into that. So it is what it is. Some things I did good on, some things not so good. The next product is the MARC Andy powder. And I'm just going to show you guys where that's at, if you can see that. Last month it was 49 grams. This month it is 48 grams. So I did use a gram of product out of that. So I did make some effort on that one. The next product is the Ciate London BB Cream. There it is. I couldn't find it. This is empty. So there's another empty for this month. So we're going to toss that over there because that's going in with my empties for the year. The next product was the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And I really want to finish this off this year. I'm hoping I can get this out by March. But here's what this looks like right now. So last month this was weighing in at 89 grams. This month it is 81 grams. So I used 8 grams of product on that. So that was pretty good progress. The next one is the Too Faced Melted Matte in Candy Cane. Everything's over here. I'm just trying to see where everything is. That's this. I'm going to be wearing this a lot this month, I think, for Valentine's Day. But this was, I think it's the same. 31. Where's it at in the new list? Yeah, it's 31 grams. I only wore this one time, truthfully, so we'll have to get more, again, lip products, right? I've been using other lip products. And then last but not least is the Too Faced Concealer. I've been using this as an all-over face product. recently since my BB cream ran out. So that's how I'm going to try to finish off the use on that. I'm wearing it on my face today as an all over coverage. So this month, last month it was 25 grams. This month it is 23 grams. So I used 2 grams of product on that. So that's good. All right, so as you've seen, I have 4 empties this month. So I have to bring in 4 more products. So I already picked the products and got the weights on them. I'll leave everything down below for you guys as well. Okay, so the first one that I'm putting in is another lip product, which I probably shouldn't do, but I'm going to anyway. It's the Charlotte Tilbury. This is a balm in Pillow Talk, and this is coming in at 11 grams. This is a color I can wear every day, even when I'm not wearing makeup, pretty much, and that's what I'm looking at doing with it. But it's, I think I got this in 2020, so it's 5 years old, so it still smells good though. So we're going to use that up. So we're going to try to use that up this year. So we'll see what kind of progress I can get on that. I might just leave that out here on my desk so I remember to put it on. And I did tell you guys that that's starting out at 11 grams, right? Okay, and then the next one is a Give Me product. But it's this LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask. And this one's in Sweet Candy. And this one's starting out at 8 grams. And I'm going to show you why it's a Give Me product. Can you see that in there? I've been using it anyway, so I figured I'd just throw it in as a Give Me product since it's inevitably going to be used up anyway, so I might as well just finish it off, right? It'll probably only take me a month to use that up, if that. So, okay, the next 2 products are spoiler alerts because they were in my deck of panning, so you're going to see that in another update as well. Whether I get my uses on it or not, but they're 2 products that I was using in deck of panning, so I want to move them over to this project. Why am I confusing those 2 words? I don't know why. And I want to finish them up this year. I've decided to go for it with these 2 products. So, give me 1 second here. I'm just trying to locate them. Okay. So their starting rates are coming in too. So the first one is this jelly blush, which is supposed to be like a dupe for the milk jelly blushes. This one, I don't think it has a name. It just says, oh, it's Hy-Vee jelly. H-I-V-I blush jelly tint. Yeah, I want to finish this up. Let's just go for it and try to finish it up this year. I like the color. I like the way it looks on me. Gives me that natural flush look, and we still got a little bit of winter left to go. So, might as well just use it, right? That's not that old in my collection either. I just got this last spring. So, but you know what? Let's just go for it. So, that's starting out at 25 grams. I've been liking using it. I've been liking the way it looks. So, I'm just going to put it in. And the next product is my Rare Beauty Bronzing Stick. I use this, I've been using this in my deck of panning, and I realized that I really like it, and I like how it blends out, and I'm surprised I haven't been using it more often. It's the only cream bronzing product that I have, I think, and this is starting out at 37 grams, and I'll show you guys what's left in these 2 products, if you want to see. I used this when I first got it, and then I stopped using it that much, and then there's what's left in there. And when I started using it again this month, I've noticed that I like it. I like the way it blends out. This is going to be hopefully used up for the end of the year. And then this jelly blush, I've been using this quite a bit too. And I just like the way it works. I like this blended out with a sponge, I've noticed. I've tried it different ways. But that's all that has in it. So I'm hoping I can use this on my lips too if I wanted to. But anyway, that is what I want to use up. And those are my new products. So might as well just keep going with them, I think. So anyway, that is my rolling project pan for this month. Have you guys finished up anything this month? Let me know down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Take care of yourselves and each other. And I'll talk to you guys all in the next one. Bye, everyone.